Yes, 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 yes. What's going on? What is going on? What you're witnessing is the fractal pattern of the money flow right now, breaking down. This is the chart of Saba, right? You have to ask yourself, can you see it? Like, do you see what I'm looking at? Let's turn this down. Thought it was down. So the money flow reveals itself each day. Each day we go forward. Each day there's a new candle. People seek reasons why, and the reason why probably really doesn't matter. Opinions change. It's just the emotional makeup of a bunch of people. Millions of people get up every day to look at these prices go up and down, and you don't know what's going through their mind or why they're deciding to do what they're going to do. And what I noticed about 14 years ago is you'd start to see this pattern of price play. And it would move, and they say, what do you mean, man? Man, I'm telling you, I wrote this down like a fucking decade ago. And I begin to show people, and I say, listen, I don't know what stocks are going to do, but I know the pattern of how they move. Like, and it doesn't work all the time, but it's a playable, it's gameable. In game theory means there's a statistical possibility, there's an edge, and through repetition. And they say, well, past performance is not indicative of future results. And it's like, really? Okay. Appreciate that information, sir. And so if someone tells me that, and then you see me look at this, and I'm like, okay, maybe it is. Maybe a little bit. Maybe sometimes it is. Maybe sometimes it is. And I could go do a little research. Man, you could do Google. You could do tip ranks. How many people are using? A lot of people use it. If I could type. Jesus. TIP ranks. And you could outsource this to a bunch of different places, man. I subscribe to a bunch of shit. And let's put in Saba. Man, they got $147. Well, what happened? They had some bad news, and people reacted to it emotionally. That's what people do. Fear and greed, fear and greed. That's what moves the market, man. That's what moves the market. And so fear, for us, is easy to identify. It's on that side of the green line. So as I watch the pattern, and I realize, okay, his price goes through discovery. They call it price discovery if you're fancy. Like if you got a degree in finance or something. Price discovery. Stage one. And what I began to realize and look and observe and see is the price would move in this similar fashion over and over and over. And I began to create these truisms like over most of the time markets go up. Right there. I say 71. Maybe it's 66 this year and next year it's 78. But the number, the weighting, the edge is to the